Bible reading for tonight. I believe that the song selection and the Bible selection for the text for this evening is mysteriously working out all right, because she's talking in the song about the love of God endures forever. And I have picked Psalm 100, and he talks about the love of God endures forever. But we didn't have time to sit together with Anna and discuss the song and the Bible reading for tonight. As I read from my two versions, from the Tongan version, I'm sorry that someone there's no Samoan version here, but from the Tongan version as well as from the telephone, the English version. Psalm 100. Mo magawa ki heo tuae e ngai whanua ko toa be. Tau ea si hoa a ki ai whiwhia. Ko ki hono ao mo e kai la. E ki mawira mua. Ko si hoa be koe tua. Ko ia nani ngahui ki taua. E ko ki taua o kua ona. Ia o koe kakaya ana koe sipi o kune whawhanga. Mo hono ngahi matabaa he whawheta. Hono ngahi mato a mono hiwaki. Ia mo sani beia. Whamaro ki hono hua wha. He o kereia si hoa. O kai ngata e nao wha. Pea tunga. E ni fua kawa. Mire tō tangata. Mire tō tangata. The English version. Shout for joy to the Lord, all the earth. Worship the Lord with gladness. Come before him with joyful songs. Know that the Lord is God. It is he who made us, and we are his. We are his people, the sheep of his pasture. Enter his gates with thanksgiving, and his courts with praise. Give thanks to God and praise his name. For the Lord is good and his love endures forever. His faithfulness continues through generation to generation.